Good morning, everybody. This is Monday morning. It is June 27, 2011. This is Anna from AHOB.avi. I have a chart up of crude oil, of which I am still short. I expect that we should break 90 fairly soon and head on down to that 85 level. First, we'll probably see 87, 88. I might get a bounce there and then ultimately 85. You can see here on the hourly that we are pointing down here, and it's showing some weakness with a bit of a bear flag here. So that being said, let's take a look at the daily. The daily is pretty oversold, so we could get a little pop here at some point, but I don't expect too much more than maybe 92 area, but you know, that's subject for revision. Going over to the E-minis, it's sort of a, it's going to be one of those weeks where we're waiting for the Greek austerity vote to come in. So it's going to be a lot of volatility again, so just beware of that and take your positions accordingly. Here's your daily on the ES, which I think a head and shoulder is forming to ultimately take us down to test maybe 1247 and even lower to 1227. But we'll keep our eye on that for now. On the 60-minute, you see we got a little, the whole moving average is showing bullish. However, the stochastics are rolling over and the MACD is starting to roll over. So we'll see whatever kind of bounce we get today, you would want to sell into the strength. That's my feeling. Sell into the strength. Let me get rid of those volume bars here because they're show volume subgraph. There you go. So what you want to look for your downside levels is 1251.50, and on the upside 1272. Okay, there's a little bit of a head and shoulder here pattern. So we've stopped at this area right here, 1269, which we probably hit overnight. I have to check here. I just got up. Yep, 1269, just got up. And you can see this is rolling over. So like I said, whatever strength we get is probably, you just want to sell into the strength. And that would be, you know, on your indices or on crude oil. Or I've got a couple of stocks that I'm looking at to do in the lounge that'll be really great for, they really haven't suffered so much. So I'm looking for those to suffer some pain here in the future. And what happens is when you get a correction, initially people sell off the rotten stuff or sell the stuff that hasn't worked that well. But then if the correction continues, they go in and they start selling the stuff that made the money because they have to liquidate and they have to go to where the money is. So that's how you want to look at that. You want to look at some of the ones that have been the outperformers and finally cave in and come on down and correct as well. So we'll take a quick look here at the Russell. I hate Mondays. Ugh. Mondays, it looks like the Russell's rolling over too. The only position I have going into this morning is crude oil shorts. So that being said, I'm sort of going to play it as I see it and sort of bounce around. I don't like to load up too much on over the weekends anymore. I found that to be a game that just doesn't work out. So anyway, I wish everyone a happy week. I'll get you an update here tonight or in the morning for tomorrow. And I'm sorry I didn't get it up last night, but I was really busy yesterday doing things, and I had to pick up my puppy, his ashes, and it was a little bit of an emotional day yesterday, so I just wanted to give myself a little time. So take care, good luck. I will see you in the room on the blog or in the lounge or in MarketCast or somewhere. Take care, bye-bye. Info@hotoptionbabe.com.